Looking like a real gel between the X-T2 and the GFX, the brand new X-H1 houses a 24 megapixel APS-C size sensor. This is Fuji's first interchangeable lens camera with 5-axis in-body stabilisation, allowing you to push the limits while shooting handheld and utilising that really impressive high ISO capability. Handling the X-H1 gives some noticeable improvements, with its bigger grip, delicate shutter button, which took a little getting used to but ended up feeling gentle and effortless to use. A high-res 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder that's sharp and clear, and a brand new optional grip that allows for multiple batteries to be used at once. The silent mechanical shutter was perfect for inside the church, and improvements to the continuous autofocus were apparent while moving around. Flicker-free shooting makes the X-H1 ideal for photographing indoor sports. And with a 25% thicker magnesium alloy body and scratch-protected body paint, the Fuji is durable and rugged for tougher environments, leaving photographers worry-free. For ease of shooting, we have the previously seen tilting 3-inch touch LCD screen and dual SD card slot, allowing you to customise your media saving options. With all of this for the stills photographers, Fuji have not forgotten about video users out there. Built-in 4K movie recording and up to 120 frames per second in Full HD are all capable of capturing in F-Log or a newer preset Cinema Film Simulation profile mode, giving a wider dynamic range, softer shadows and better tonality. Internally to the SD card you can record up to 200 megabits a second, and with new high-res 24-bit audio recording. The X-H1 felt comfortable while in my hands, giving results far better than I had originally expected. I have always had a soft spot for the minimalistic top LCD since the GFX, and the X-H1 adopts this feature too. For any photographer looking for a lightweight, high-end mirrorless camera that provides really good results in stills and video, this could be the camera for you. The silent shooting coupled with flicker-free capture only leaves its capabilities to your imagination. For more information, check out the link below or head into your local London camera exchange.